Welcome back, everybody. In this video here, we are going to be talking about something outside of my game. We're only going to have it for this video. I'm going to remove it in future videos, so it's just going to show up here now if you guys want to see. So, we're going to talk about how to create a custom name for a character. So say you want your player to be able to name the main character, this is how you're going to be able to do it, okay? So, we're going to start with the spot that we want to have the question asked. This might happen after a scene, this might happen in the middle of a game. You can name a character, maybe your character has a kid or something like that, or gets a puppy and they want to name the puppy. You can do all that this way, and this is how I'll show you how to do it, okay? So, start with $, and in this case, we're going to call it player name. This is the thing you're going to have to know what it is. It can be anything. We can name it, we'll just call it instead, just to show you how this is done, we'll call it lion name. Because we're doing a Lion King type style game. Here, name equals Ren'py dot input. Open parentheses. Quotation mark, and this is going to be how you're going to have like how you're going to ask the person what the name is. So we'll just say name that lion. Oops, not a question mark, we'll just put an exclamation mark. You name it, okay? We're going to have another quotation mark, close parentheses, hit enter. Now we're going to once again have $, space, lion, underscore, name, space, equals, space, lion, underscore, name, dot, strip, open parentheses, close parentheses, enter again, if lion, underscore, name, space, equals, because again, like I mentioned in my other videos before about making choices, you want to do the, if you're asking it a question about is something true, is something false, is something this, is something that, is something double equals, or in cases of points or numbers, it's greater than or less than, or equals to. You know, that kind of a thing. So if it is equals, space, double set of quotes, so that means as if the person put nothing at all, colon, enter, then $, space, lion, name, space, equals, space, quotation marks, LeVar. So we are going to make it so that the player can name the character, the main character, okay? So we're going to go back up to where it says LeVar's character name here, and just give me one quick second. So instead of having the name LeVar here, we're going to put, oops, let me get back to my script one, there we go. Instead we're going to put square bracket, open square bracket, lion, underscore, name, close square bracket. So we won't have LeVar's name here. Now the player can name the main character. So we're going to go File, Save, and we're going to take a quick peek and see if this works. And if not, we'll have to fix it. So, launch the project. So there's that little video that I was talking about before. You guys didn't get to hear it, of course, because I have the sound off for you guys. That was all shown in the previous video, so we're not going to be talking about that at all. So it looks like the game is working good so far. Let's start it. Name that lion. So we can hit enter, and it's going to continue on. Let's skip a little bit here. So you notice how his name is LeVar? Let's skip. You pick the evil option. Okay. We're gonna go to start again, and instead, let's name the name Simba. And we're gonna go skip. Oops. Notice how his name is Simba? Now, anytime the characters are talking about that character, you need to make sure to change that. So we have Lavar's name written here. If we want to change that, which we're not going to do for everything, actually, I'll just show you how to do it. So instead of writing the character's name themselves, so this is something you kind of want to plan ahead of time, you're going to want to put, instead of their name, put, or whatever one you picked, okay? So where it says lion name, you can have anything. It just has to be the same as what you put here. So lion name, lion name, lion name. It has to be the same, okay? As long as it's all the same, then that's fine. And anytime this shows up in the script where the name is, it will say that player's name, okay? Whatever they picked it to put in, okay? We're not going to do that in this case because, again, we're actually going to take this out now and it will be disappeared for the next video that we're going to do, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this short little video about how to make a custom name for a character. And I will see you guys in the next video, and we are going to be talking about random events in the next video. So I will see you guys then. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.